In this problem, you've been asked to find the slope of the line tangent to the graph, and you've been given the point 1, 2. So hopefully your brain is screaming, derivative, derivative, because we've got a tangent line. We're going to take the derivative term by term, and we're taking the derivative with respect to x, because that's how you find slope. So the first term is 3x squared plus, the next term is a product rule. We're going to have a p and a q, and so our product rule is p prime q plus q prime p. So this first derivative, the derivative of x, is just going to be 1, and q is times y. Plus, now we're going to take the derivative of the second term y, and it will be 1 times the derivative of y with respect to x, times p was x, plus the derivative of 2y will be 2, but again, since we're taking the derivative with respect to x, we're going to have dy dx, and this will all equal the derivative of 7, which is 0. Now that I've taken my derivative, I'm looking for slope, which is dy dx, so I'm looking for those terms. I'm going to need to plug in my x and y and collect my terms. I had 3(1) squared plus 1 times a y of 2 plus a dy dx times an x of 1 plus 2 dy dx, all equals 0. Collecting like terms, I have 3 and 2 is 5, plus, adding those like terms, I have 3 dy dx equals 0. I'm going to subtract 5. 3 dy dx equals, or dy dx equals -5 thirds.